Hello students, in this video we are going to study the next part, that is lowest common multiple, LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. With the help of one example we will try to understand this part. Find the LCM of 2 and 3. To find the LCM of 2 and 3, first we will find out multiples of 2 and 3 separately. So first write down multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Means tables of 2 and 3 we have to write here. So in that, these are the multiples of 2 and 3 separately we written. Now we want to find out here common multiples first. So what are the common multiples here? 6 is the common, 12 is the common, as well as 18 is the common. Again many will get. So only 3 enough. Okay, therefore common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. In that, which one is the lowest? 6th one. So 6 is the LCM, as we want here lowest common multiple. Therefore 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Students, to find out LCM, we use three methods. One is common multiple method, second one is prime factorization method, and third one is division method. To solve one example, finding LCM of 2 and 3, we use common multiple method. Now let's try to use other methods also to find out LCM. Let's solve one example with the help of common multiple method. Find the LCM of 20 and 25. To find out LCM of 20 and 25, first we have to find out multiples of 20 and 25 separately. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and so on. These are the multiples of 20, and 25, 50, 75, 100 and so on. These are the multiples of 25. We want here now common multiples. Now here 100 and 200 are common multiples. See here. So write here common multiples separately, 100 and 200 and so on. Many will get. But in that we want not all common multiples. We want here lowest common multiple, that is LCM, and lowest common multiple is 100. Therefore LCM of these two numbers is 100. Students, now we will find out LCM of same number. Same example we will take, but we will use another method, that is prime factorization method. In this, first we have to find out prime factors of each number separately. So first I am going to find out prime factors of 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then here 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factors. So prime factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5. And prime factors of 25 are 5 multiplied by 5. So while finding LCM, students, remember whichever common number we have, that number we have to take at once only. And remaining all numbers we have to write as it is. Now 5 is common here in both. That 5 I written here, and this remaining 2, 2 and this 5 I written as it is. Okay, and then multiply these numbers. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25 is 100, and 100 is the LCM. In previous method also we got same LCM, right? So in this way also we can find out LCM, and this method is prime factorization method. Now next method is division method. Now here we will take another example. Find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. By using this method, in this way we can find out LCM. How? First write down that all the numbers here in this way, 12, 16, 24 and 36, and divide that all the numbers by a common prime factor. If all the numbers we cannot divide by one common factor, then whichever number is possible to divide by that common prime factor, we can divide. If one number also we can divide here by any common factor. See here, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24 and 2 18s are 36. In that way, take another prime factor, and then next whatever quotient we got here, that we have to write here downside. Now these quotients we have to divide again by any prime factor. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Then again find out any common prime factor and divide. But this 3 we cannot divide by 2, so write that 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 9 we cannot divide, so 9 I am going to copy as it is. Now here I am going to take 3. 3 1s are 3, this 2 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now again I am going to take here 2, this 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, this one as it is, and 3 also as it is. Now only 3 remain here, so I will take 3 here. This one, this one, this one as it is, and 3 1s are 3. So these many prime factors we got, and finally we got everywhere here 1. When we will get everywhere 1 here, stop here and take these all numbers and multiply them to get the LCM. So LCM is equal to, how many times 2 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 times 3. 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Multiply that number, you will get LCM. Therefore 144 is the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. I hope you understood this part also. Students, Now we are going to solve some word problems. In that first question is, three boys step up together from same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? The key is we have to find out here LCM. So first we will find out LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So here take common prime factors and find out the LCM by using this method. We know this method very well. Okay, after getting the prime factors, write down prime factors here and multiply them. What will be the answer? 6930 will be the answer, and therefore whatever LCM we got here, that is the distance that each should cover. Okay, therefore each should cover 6930 centimeter distance. Okay, so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. So what will be the answer? 6930 centimeter. Students, let's solve one more example. See here, the length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. So the key is here, find the HCF. Okay, to find out the length of the tape, we have to find out HCF, means which can measure that all the measurements exact number of times. Means common factor we want here, but longest common factor we want, because longest tape they ask, right? Therefore first we will find out prime factors of each number, 825, 675 and 450 by using our division method. So here in this way we can find out LCM. 5 ones are 5, then 3 remain 32, 5 6 are 30, 2 remain, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15, 1 remain, 5 3 are 15, 3 ones are 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and then 11 ones are 11. In this way find out prime factors of 675 also and 450 also by using prime factorization method. Then after finding the prime factors, write down prime factors of each number separately here. 825 prime factors, then 675, then 450, and then find out common prime factors. As we know that to find out SCF we have to take common prime factors. So 5 is common here on all three numbers, so I taken 5 at once. Now here 5 is common in all the three numbers, so again I taken 5. Now this 3 is also common in all three numbers, so again I taken 3 common, and remaining numbers we don't have here common in any of the number. Okay, students, remember only common numbers we have to take to find out HCF. And while finding LCM, this type of numbers also we have to take as common if it is in common in between any two numbers also. But while finding HCF, it should be common in all three numbers. Okay, so I got here three numbers, 5, 5 and 3. Then multiply them. What answer will get? 75. 5 5 are 25, 25 3 are 75 centimeter, and 75 centimeter is the HCF, and this is the measurement of that tape. Therefore the length of the tape should be 75 centimeter. Then only that tape can measure all these lengths, all these measurements, all these dimensions, 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter exact number of times. Students, let's solve one more example. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Now here key is, first we have to find out LCM of given numbers. So first find out LCM of given numbers by any method, whichever you want. Now I use here division method. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, then 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is, 3 2s are 6. Okay, in the same way 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 as it is, and find out here LCM and take these all prime numbers, prime factors, and multiply them, you will get LCM. What is the LCM? 24. The next step is that now divide smallest 3-digit number by LCM. By this LCM we have to divide smallest 3-digit number. Therefore smallest 3-digit number is 100. So 100 divided by 24. 24 is the LCM. So what we'll get? 24 4s are 96. We'll get remainder here 4. Now students, remember after getting that remember that now subtract that remainder from LCM. That remainder we have to subtract from LCM. So what will be the answer? 20 will get. 24 minus 4, 20. And whatever difference we'll get, that difference we have to subtract from. Now that difference we have to add in smallest 3-digit number. See here, now add difference in the smallest 3-digit number. Therefore 100 plus 20, it will become 120, and therefore 120 is the required number. Students, remember first what we have to do. First, in such cases we have to find out LCM first. When we will get LCM, by that LCM divide that smallest 3-digit number. So after dividing we will get remainder and if whatever remainder we'll get, that we have to subtract from the LCM. So what difference we'll get, that difference we have to add in the smallest 3-digit number, and we'll get that number. Okay, so 100 plus 20 is 120, therefore 120 is the required number, which is exactly divisible by 6 also, 8 also, and 12 also, and which is the smallest 3-digit number. I hope you understood this part also. Students, now we have finished this chapter here. I hope you understood all the concepts which I have taught here now. Thank you. Have a nice day.